G'day, welcome to I Cultivate. My name's Steve. Welcome to our fourth instalment of us developing our new productive garden. So things have been moving much slower than we actually anticipated and hoped for, but I'm sure you understand that. We all have these things happening in our lives. But as you can see, we have developed our productive garden building, structure, whatever you'd like to call it, a lot further than what you saw last time. So this is where it's developed to. As you can see, we've now got the roof area trussed, and of course this has all been done so that we actually cover it with net. There will not be a solid roof on this. The whole idea of this structure is just simply to protect all of the plants that we grow in here from predator and pests, insects and various other wildlife that we have in this area. So this is going to be the door that accesses our productive garden area, and the idea will be we'll walk in this door and then we will have a couple of different garden beds here and on the other side, and that will enable us to do some crop rotation within this space. One other design element that I haven't mentioned previously in any of the other updates to our productive garden is its position relative to the sun. This structure is actually facing north, and so what that means is that we will get the sun transiting from what, if we call this the front, transiting in this direction across the structure. And in winter, when the sun is a bit lower in the sky here in the southern hemisphere, we will still have good sun on this particular space all year round. So the next stage, and one of the last stages in the development of this, is the preparation of the soil. Now I'm going to do a video that goes through the whole process, but one of the things that you might already notice is that this soil is absolutely infested with what we in Australia call nutgrass. I know elsewhere in the world it's sometimes called sedge or sedge grass, but if you know what I'm talking about, it is a gardener's nightmare. So what we'll be looking at is how I'm going to deal with this nutgrass. But that's the next step that we're about to start, is getting this soil all sorted. So we've just had a couple of really tough days where we've spent several hours each day just sifting through this soil, removing as much of the nutgrass and the actual tubers underneath the ground as possible. You can see here, this container is full. Well, we actually filled 4 of these containers of this nutgrass and have, as much as possible, removed the tubers, the rhizomes and the actual plants themselves throughout here. Now we're going to let this lie for another few weeks perhaps, just to see what else comes up, and then we'll be able to easily remove those before we actually go on to the next stage for what we intend for this garden bed. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website icultivate.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.